Hey guys, Joseph here. In this video, we're showing off our sample footage of VIOFO's newest flagship models, the A229 Pro and the A229 Plus. Both of these cameras have made quite the splash with their launch. While their bodies are identical to earlier models, the image quality is the star of the show. That's because Sony STARVIS 2 is not just being sported in the front cam, but also for the rear. Another first for VIOFO. Let's start off with some daytime front footage for the VIOFO A229 Plus. The launch of these new models definitely has some good timing since the colors of the trees, leaves, and skies outside are just stunning. Look at this. Capturing 2K QHD for up to 60 frames per second on the front camera, the new VIOFO A229 Plus now boasts a 5-megapixel Sony STARVIS 2 IMX675 image sensor for its front camera in a 140-degree field of view. A total upgrade, and we would think that with or without the false colors. The A229 would still capture colorful and vibrant footage thanks to its 2.5x higher dynamic range and light sensitivity. That's right, the A229 now has HDR as well, so you get better details in traffic lights, road signs, and license plates, balancing exceptionally bright and dark areas. And take note, it's not just the front camera. HDR also works on the rear. Though do keep in mind you can't run 60 frames per second and HDR at the same time. It's one or the other, same as the A119 Mini 2. The rear has received major upgrades as well, considering that the A229 Plus is the first dashcam model to get the same Sony STARVIS 2 IMX675 sensor for its rear. That's right, the same sensor as the front camera. The A229 Plus is also compatible with a CPL filter for minimal glare during the day. The weather's really gloomy this time, so no blazing sun rays, but it surely records clearer footage. And during the night, the Super Night Vision 2.0 feature on the Plus also shines through. The HDR works great, and you can see that the headlight exposure of the cars coming towards us are well balanced and not harsh on the eyes. And if you're impressed with the Plus, wait until you see the Pro. We see the A229 Pro as the flagship dashcam for VIOFO, considering that aside from the features upgrade, it's now available in 2-channel and 3-channel configurations, even giving the recent A139 Pro a run for its money. The A139 Pro only had HDR and STARVIS 2 on the front camera, along with decreasing the FPS to 24 when all 3 channels are connected. These have all been improved on with the 3-channel A229 Pro. And for this video, we used the triple channel, of course. Now let's start off with the front camera. While it also has a Sony STARVIS 2, the A229 Pro's front camera is more advanced with its 8-megapixel IMX678 image sensor. It records 4K UHD at 30 frames per second for its front, also covering 140 degrees and sporting HDR like the Plus. Beyond clarity, when you get the A229 Pro, you also get the CPL filter for free. Here's some sample footage with that equipped. Now let's check the interior camera on the Pro. To make it clear, the IR cam of the Pro uses a Sony STARVIS IMX307 from the first generation of Sony STARVIS. Not a STARVIS 2, but it's still good enough for interior recording, still recommended for fleets, Ubers, Lyft, and taxis, covering up to 150 degrees. We did notice that on the IR cam that it could be grainy, but it's understood since it only captures Full HD compared to the front's 4K and the rear's 2K. Now, unless you're James Corden recording carpool karaoke with some celebrities, the A229 Pro's IR cam should work just fine for you. Interestingly enough, the IR is also equipped with HDR. And even during the night, when driving in dark conditions, the IR still delivers decent dashcam footage. Faces are clear. Now that you've seen the front and interior cam, it's time to check out the rear dash cam of the A229 series. The A229 Pro and the Plus have the same rear camera, still sporting a 5-megapixel Sony STARVIS 2 IMX675 sensor and 160-degree wide coverage. It's the first time for VIOFO to have a Sony STARVIS 2 for its rear cam, and look how much clearer and more vibrant the colors are for rear recording here. Check out the colors of the buildings. And the street signs too. You can also enjoy Super Night Vision 2.0 in the rear camera as well. Look how visible the license plates of the cars behind us is. Now, before we wrap up this video, let's compare the A229 Plus and the Pro's main camera. And that's how the footage of the Pro and the Plus look. Beyond advanced 2K and 4K recording with Sony STARVIS 2 sensors, both the Plus and the Pro are equipped with dual-band Wi-Fi, voice controls, upgraded ultra-precise GPS, parking modes, and storage space up to 512 gigs. For us, this newest A229 series struck a nice balance of advanced and high-quality recordings, convenient features, and of course, affordability. If you want to learn more about the A229 Pro and the Plus, watch out for our in-depth review that's coming out this weekend. The Pro and the Plus are already shipping out from our website, a great choice for the holiday season. We have limited stock, so grab yours quick before they're sold out. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button on your way out. Our extended holiday returns and price match is now on at BlackboxMyCar, so now's the perfect time to get yours before the holiday rush. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments below. So what do you guys make of the footage? Don't forget to use the exclusive YouTube code BBMCTube at checkout and get 5% off your next dashcam. See you guys later.